Let me help you? I'll hold it still while you get in. Ah, you did it!
My
I help you? Move your feet on the pedals.
Paddle, 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 paddle.
Pedal, 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 that's right. Ooh, this way. You got backwards. You're real good at backwards. You're good at stopping too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yay! Keep going forwards. Push, push. Pedal, pedal. Mommy, help. There we go. Turn this way. It'd be easier if you turn this way. If you go this way, it'll be easier to pedal forward.
Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Kenzie, you're doing such a great job. Can you look at Mommy and say high five? No, you're concentrating. You're what?
My hair.
You're what?
My hair.
Your hair? Ooh, careful. Good catch.
Sorry. Oh, my bike.
Got it? You are so good. Is this your first time riding a bike? Because I would say that you must have ridden a bike before. You are so good at bike riding. Kenzie, that's wicked awesome. It's amazing. It's amazing. Kenzie, can you say it's amazing? Can you say it's amazing? Are you going to bring it inside? You want to ride it some more? Okay. Can you say your bike is amazing? It's what? Amazing? Amazing? What are you doing, honey?
It's stuck. Stuck. I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Mommy, help?